Happy welcome to our easy English reading video. Today, let's read about very cute penguins.
Hello, I am a penguin. You can read about me and my family. I am a cute bird. I have 2 wings, but I can't fly. I can walk on my 2 legs. I can run fast. I can jump. I can swim. I live on ice. It is very cold. I live with my family. I have a very big family. We are very happy. I come from an egg. Each mommy penguin has 1, 2, or 3 eggs each time. My dad and mom hatch me. They use their feet and bellies. A baby penguin is brown or gray like me. I am black and white when I grow up. I like to explore ice caves. We live near the ocean. I can slide on snow and ice. I can slide on my belly. It's fun. I can dive deep under the sea. I can swim in the ocean. I don't get wet underwater. I have very good eyes. I can see very well underwater. I find and hunt my food in the ocean. I eat fish, squid, and other seafood. It is very cold in winter. My family keeps me warm. I love my family very much. Now, let's watch more about me and my family. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to support us. See you again in the next video.